Hello friends, this is RI Vlog and this is your host for this clip called Nick Anaz. It's a funny name. Okay, and since this is our first effort to make a mark on the internet, we sure will fumble, be stupid and sometimes be disastrous. But hey, this is our first time, so itna to banta hai yaar. The bike that we are reviewing today is kind of new leaf for a company that is usually known to make brawny SUVs. I'm sure you can hear it, and that's exactly what we have. महिंद्रा मोजो, अभी तक आपको ये पता चल ही गया होगा दैट इसको ऑटो एक्सपो में कंपनी ने बहुत बार दिखाया, इसके स्पाई पिक्चर्स आए, कब रिलीज़ होगी कब नहीं होगी. देयर हैज़ बीन सो मच कन्फ्यूजन अबाउट इट, बट फाइनली द बाइक हैज़ सीन द लाइट ऑफ द डे एंड हियर इट इज़ एंड आई एम वेरी हैप्पी टू से दैट द कंपनी हैज़ डन अ वेरी गुड जॉब अबाउट इट. बाइक के अगर फ्रंट की बात करें तो जो स्क्रीन है, great protection to the rider. It deflects the air right over the helmet of the biker. Then coming towards these DRLs, ये एक बाइक को बहुत ही mean look देता है, which is a very nice thing. The twin lights that you see, it adds muscle to the face of the bike, which is also a very nice aesthetic touch to it. After the headlights, the feature that actually comes up in the bike is inverted shocks जो है. They're again a very nice modern touch to the bike. The front mudguard is very nicely designed also. क्योंकि एक टूरिंग को दिमाग में रखते हुए इस बाइक को डिज़ाइन किया गया है, तो इट प्रोटेक्ट्स फ्रॉम ऑल दी डस्ट एंड ग्रेवल. सो अगेन अ वेरी नाइस टच गिवन टू द बाइक. Coming to the rear of the bike, as you can see, यहाँ पे twin exhaust setup दिया है, which is very unique for this class of motorcycle, at least in this country. 300cc single में इस type का rear बहुत ही unique है, and I must say it adds to its distinct style. आप किसी भी angle से इसे देखिए, the rear personality of this bike is simply amazing. बहुत serious बातें हो गई. Let's have some fun. Let's discuss about the weight of the weight is somewhere around 300 kgs.
अरे बाइक का बताना है.
155 without fuel. मेरा weight 300 नहीं है. I think I've spoken enough about the bike, but to take you further for the technical aspects of the bike, let me introduce you to Falcon.
So as Shivam has told you about the bike, you have you looked at the bike, how it looks like, feels like. I've been riding this bike extensively in the city conditions where bumper to bumper traffic is there on the highways, good or bad. So I have an idea wherein how this bike feels. So as for the tourers, you have a good news wherein you have a bike now which is specifically made for touring. Here you don't have a proposition 300cc single cylinder which is there in the market, which you can take it on the highways. You have open highways, you can gun it through. If you have bumper to bumper traffic, you can ride it slowly as well. So this is a very balanced bike with a low center of gravity. So it is very stable when you are maneuvering it into the traffic or on the highways. So that's about the basics of the bike. You have a typical twin headlamp design with these lamps which are glowing here. So these are basically the pilot lamps which are turned into the, you can say, DRLs. You can use it as a DRL in the city, and then again, trust me, this adds on to styling quotient of the bike wherein it turns a lot of heads. So you have a nice looking front look, edgy design, beautiful lines flowing here, which starts from here and they end up to the back of the tail light of the bike. Angle of this visor here, it actually deflects the wind over your helmet, so you won't feel that wind blast while you are ducked in that crouch position. Coming down on this side, as you can see, the design of the mudguard, which is like, it is covered from the front, so Upside down inverted forks, if you are riding in rough terrain, then it has an advantage wherein it saves your shocker rods from getting scratched from pebbles, and also leakage it will save onto it. It can soak up while you are going into the bumps and all, so it manages to be sturdy without any rattling noise from the plastic fiber which is here. It is triple mounted, so very strong, very sturdy. And then you have this pedal disc here, huge brake, you can say, with stock Pirelli tires here. So these brakes, they have a nice bite to it. This is a Mahindra design, the frame of the bike, pressed perimeter frame, a kind of perimeter frame here. And then you have a frame which is a downside tubular frame. So you have both a frame here as well as on below the engine. So it adds to the strength of the bike. Then you can see this radiator grill. You have a radiator here, a big radiator which is efficient enough in the cooling of the bike. And then you can see these silver fins here, which adds to the styling of the bike. And then you have the grill here, and then this adds to the nice look of the bike with this, along with this underbelly fairing, which you can say. A strong engine, 300cc single cylinder. The badging which Mahindra is given here, Mahindra is written here, Mojo here. Then you have another engraved Mahindra here on the tank cap. For tourers out there, there is a good news. This is a 21-liter tank, so you can just fill it, shut it, and you can go straight to 400, 500 kilometers, riding at whichever speed you want. So that is one advantage which you can get as a tourer here. So as you can see here, this is again a new thing. You have a lock here, so this whole it's separate from the handle of the bike. So you have long wide handlebar here, handle lock here, and as you can see, these are illuminated back switches, so you can see it here. As you can see, I hope you can see it on the camera here. So again, you can see the center console here. So you have this side lines which are illuminated, and then again you can see here all these lines here. As you can see, neutral light, high beam indicators, engine fault or maybe faulty ECU signal, and then a side stand signal as well. So here you can see. Then you have the time, the speed, the fuel indicator, the odo readings which have a trip A and trip B as well. Also, I would like to tell you one thing, it captures your top speed which you clock, and it can be reset as well. So this is one thing. Again, I would like to tell you about this thing. It has a special feature wherein if you hold it for 2 seconds here, it gets into the acceleration mode. So this acceleration mode here, it adds on to your 0 to 100 timings. You can clock your 0 to 100 times as well. Coming down to these nice beautiful flowing lines on the tank and the logo and everything, you have a nice comfy seat which you can ride this bike to long distances without a brake. So bike won't give up, trust me on this. It's just you who will, in case if you get tired, you will need the rest. But yes, it has a nice comfy seat. You have these strong sturdy grab rails here for the pillion rider. So as I told you earlier, that you have the nice flowing lines which start from the front, it ends with the Mahindra logo here. So you have beautiful rear styling, LED tail lamp, but one thing which is, like, you can see the indicators, they are a carryover from Stelvio. So the better, more improved version, but I would request Mahindra if they could have ended up with LED indicators as well, because the overall styling of the bike is pretty modern. And then you have a Mahindra logo here which adds to the nice flowing lines here, and they end up at the tail. So as you can see here, you have a tire hugger which will be connected from here to this rods, as you can find in other bikes as well, like in Duke 200. You have a rod which is going through to that side. You have that option available as an accessory as well. Again, as you saw in the video, you have 2 exhausts. So this is again one thing which is not been offered with any bike. It has not been offered yet in the Indian market. So you have 2 exhausts here, though it's a single cylinder engine, but yes, you have a nice exhaust note. Trust me, first thing which you'll notice about this bike is its styling and the exhaust note. Just switching on this bike to get you the exhaust note of this bike which I was talking about. So this was the exhaust note of the bike, and also I would like to tell you one thing about while you're starting this bike. So this has a preventive measure wherein if the bike is in neutral, then also you'll have to press the clutch to start this bike. So that's again an added safety feature here. You have a strong brake lever here, alloy levers for brake, front brake and clutch. So this is the review of Mahindra Mojo, and as initially Shivam told you, it's our first review here. So we would fumble and there were some problems, but yes, you have a bike which you can live with. So it is a nice touring package, good bike to ride in city, though it will take some time to get used to it, but then again, trust me, you have a nice product coming from Mahindra wherein you can just buy this bike and relax. No issues so far, and I trust on this, the build quality, the overall weight of the frame and the sturdy chassis. It is a nice bike, a nice product. So with the pricing, aggressive pricing, Mahindra can nail down the market, the performance segment which is there in India. 300cc single, it is a very nice bike.
गुड इवनिंग भाई और बहनों फिर से Welcome to the series we call as RI Vlogs because we don't have a name as yet, and this is my friend Asad, and इसके साथ मैं एक डमी टेक कर रहा हूँ अपनी गाड़ी का. ये है एक XUV 500. Good, no. We are sure going to be fumbling a lot. We'll be stupid and we'll be stupid and sometimes we'll be disastrous. Like I just fumbled right now. We'll do a little pretty. Oh, God damn it! एक last. Rolling है? The bike that we have. Okay. The bike that cars and bikes or anything that moves that we'll be reviewing cars and bikes and whatever that moves that we can get our hands onto. Our request for a Sukhoi 30 MKI is still pending at the Defense Ministry of Dreams. That was a cheap one. But anyway, brawny SUVs, and I'm sure you can hear it now. And that's what we have tonight. Oh, I f***ed up in the end. अरे भाई ये लोग अंग्रेजी बोल के दिमाग खराब कर दिए. The bike is good. आप देख सकते हैं ये काली है, इसमें बीच में सिल्वर है और बीच में गोल्डन भी है. पूरा का पूरा पीकॉक है. ओके सो ये तार हटाओगे, ये तार, एक मिनट, हाँ अभी ये देखो, अरे तार हटाओ यार. ये शेर के पंजे देखे, इसका मतलब ये हुआ कि ये बहुत एनिमलिस्टिक है कैरेक्टर में. जैसे महिंद्रा का XUV चीता इंस्पायर्ड, दिस इज आई थिंक ईगल इंस्पायर्ड. बहुत चीप लाइन था बट जो भी है. ये फ्रंट देखो, ये खा जाएगी तुमको. ये बाइक तुमको खाने के लिए बनी है. बाइक देखो, इसका मुंह देखो. शी इज नॉट हैप्पी विद यू. ऐसे करने में कितना मज़ा आता है इसको. इसमें ये भी कर सकते हैं. हाँ, रिव्यू हो गया. थैंक यू.